चलिए आपको एक रूम टूर कराते हैं हमारे रूम का, स्टेरलिंग वायनाड में। यहाँ पे डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज के रूम्स अवेलेबल हैं। ये जो रूम है हमारा, ये है प्रीमियर विला विथ बालकनी। इसी तरीके से विला विथ सिट आउट है, दैट इज़ 1 बेडरूम, और डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज भी है, हायर भी। तो चलिए पहले हम लोग अपना रूम देखते हैं, आपको दिखाते हैं क्या क्या मिलता है इस रूम पे। सो दिस इज़ द रूम and it's not a room, it's a villa, that's what they call. So the room number we got is 510. So let's go inside. Okay, so as soon as we enter, जैसे हम अंदर आए, we have a table with 2 chairs, a seating sofa, another seat on the left side, luggage placement, a small sink, coffee tea table, a small TV, a king size bed, and of course it's air conditioned. So if I stand again at the corner, the room looks big, quite spacious. There's a fan.
Papa, you forgot something.
What? Yeah, welcome to the washroom. Then there is a cupboard with a safe, some extra blankets, pillows. Then a big window with curtains. That's the washroom. The washroom is quite big, and the washroom door has a full size mirror. Let's see the washroom. On the corner,
Let's go for swimming.
shower area, wash basin, toiletries provided, towels, and the usual commode. The washroom is spacious. Then in this premier villa, we also have a couple of chairs with a table like this. So it says like a premier villa with balcony. So of course in a villa, that is a balcony is all about.
Papa.
And lot of monkeys. So as you can see, there is a fencing. So the other side of this fencing is a forest area. We are not supposed to go on that side. Standing on the other side of the room, this is how it looks. It's spacious. TV is small. Internet here is provided via Wi-Fi, which is very good. But remember please that there is no mobile network available. So I have Airtel, my wife has Jio, both are not available, no network available, because we are in the forest area. So network connectivity is missing here. So how much we paid for this one? So you can actually go and visit any travel site, and Sterling site itself. We paid around 14,000 rupees with breakfast. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Happy traveling. Bye.